Today we've arrived at our very first port of the cruise, and it's a place we've never been before. We're in Cagliari, on the island of Sardinia, and from what we've seen so far, this might be one of the most beautiful stops of the trip. If you're planning a cruise stop in Sardinia, or just wondering if it's worth visiting, we're going to take you along as we explore and find out. Let's see what this place is all about.
There's magic carpets way up top. Thought it'd be down, but guess because we're at the docks, right? So what number are we at?
24, sorry.
24. Way down at the end. Keep it. That's the tourist one. What do we have? We have the sightseeing destination highlight city panoramic drive.
So this is the first time we're here, which is why we're doing it tour. Figured instead of exploring on our own, let them show us around. 19.
21, 22.
And there.
Keep going around.
Yep.
Next bus go around.
Oh, sorry. Trying to get around.
And I think we're at the right one. Yeah, 24.
Train station. This is the very important part of the city to connect the different parts of Sardinia. And in front of you, in the upper part of the city, there is the district of Castello, one of the most important historical part of the city. The district of Castello was realized and built during the medieval age, and this is in the upper part of the city. White building is the city hall of Cagliari. And now we are in Via Roma, a bustling street in which there is a nice promenade with the porticos.
Cagliari is the capital city of the Italian island of Sardinia. Located in the Mediterranean, Sardinia is the second largest island in the Mediterranean and ranks behind Sicily in size. Sardinia is known for its beautiful coastline, crystal clear waters, and a mix of cultures shaped by centuries of history. Over the years, it has been influenced by the Phoenicians, Romans, and the Spanish, all of which have left their mark on the island. Cagliari itself sits along the southern coast and is famous for its historic old town known as Castello, which rises above the city with narrow streets, ancient walls, and incredible views over the harbor.
Look at the view from up here. Nice view.
See the old town.
Yeah.
As we explore, you can see a blend of history and everyday life, from centuries-old architecture to lively streets and local cafes. The city also has a relaxed coastal feel, with nearby beaches that are known for their soft sand and turquoise water. Today, we're here for just a short stop, but it's easy to see why Sardinia is such a popular destination for travelers looking for both history and natural beauty.
Cagliari is in front of you. Bastione San Remi. This is a beautiful monument that was realized in the end of the 19th century. Power. On the right-hand side, there was the district of Villanova, the district of the farmers, with very wide fields were in that area, and now you can't see them anymore because there are only buildings. The south part of Cagliari was the district of Marina. That means the sea, from the name sea, because it was near the sea, and it was the place in which fishermen and sailormen used to live.
Around town here.
Just a little square. Restaurants are getting all set up
Yeah.
for lunchtime, dinner. The buildings are colorful. I love when they have all of these trees in the middle of town. And it smells really good. All the Italian food, pizzas, pastas, smell the breads. Stopped at this cute little restaurant. It's part of our tour, and it includes a drink, so get something nice and cold, but look at the view. And it also came with snacks.
Feet in the ocean?
No,
The
because
men?
I don't have the right kind of shoes, but you can.
Yeah, I got the right shoes.
You got the right shoes.
Get the car.
Got my leather shoes on, so
Oh.
here. Let me take a picture of you doing this.
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
The pants are getting wet. Think you got your pants wet there, baby.
Ah,
Think you got your pants wet.
did it?
Yep.
A little bit. They'll dry out.
We'll dry.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sand in my shoes though. Shoes on. Time to go back to the bus. Ready to go?
Yep.
Let's go.
And just like that, we're back on the ship as we continue on to our next destination. After spending the day exploring Cagliari, it's easy to see why Sardinia is such a popular destination. From the historic streets and beautiful views to the relaxed coastal atmosphere, this stop really gave us a great first impression of the island. If you're planning a cruise that stops here, we definitely say Cagliari is well worth a visit. Next time, we're heading somewhere completely new for us, and it's been on our bucket list for a long time: Gibraltar.